What do you need to know if you're accused of misdemeanor possession of marijuana in Jackson County? First thing you need to know is that you may be able to avoid a conviction even if you're guilty of the crime. The reason for this is that your defense lawyer may be able to negotiate with the prosecutor to have the case dismissed under certain conditions. There's two ways this can occur. Either the case can be continued for approximately a year, and you would then attend counseling and test clean and not get in any trouble, and after a year, if you did these things, you could avoid a conviction. The case would be dismissed. The second way, and the way that's probably going to become the official way in the Jackson County courts here, would be that you go in front of the judge. You say, "Judge, I'm pleading guilty. I did the crime." But instead of the judge saying, "Oh, I find you guilty," the judge says, "Hold on, this is that kind of a plea. We're going to hold off. I'm going to take your file. I'm going to put it off over here." Again, you're going to spend a year. You're going to stay out of trouble. You're not going to smoke any weed, and you're going to prove that to me by testing clean, go to counseling, and after a year, if you've done what you're supposed to do, we're going to let you come back, and we're going to dismiss the charges against you. Now, the reason defense lawyers prefer the case to be continued is that if it's continued and you mess up, your defense lawyer still may have an opportunity to win the case for you, because let's say that the officer's quit and he's, moved to Cincinnati. He says, "I'm not coming back. You've messed up. Case is called for trial. They don't have a witness." You still could win. But if you've pled guilty in front of the judge, officers moved to Cincinnati, it doesn't matter. The judge is going to say, "Hey, you pled guilty. Guess what? I'm accepting it now, and I'm sentencing you. Bam, I find you guilty. And by the way, you're not going to like it, because guess what? The range of punishment for a misdemeanor possession of marijuana? Well, if you're here, your range of punishment is up to a year in jail and up to a $6,000 fine, not to mention other hidden costs and fees like victims' compensation assessment and stuff like that. It's not pretty. If your case is over at the municipal court, you're still not going to like it. It's a little bit less painful. Only 180 days in jail and a $500 fine plus victims' comp and other things. You know what? If you're sitting in a cell, it's not fun no matter what. But if you do get one of these programs, you need to do it and of course not screw up on it. If you find yourself in a legal jam, whether it's misdemeanor possession of marijuana or something more serious, and you want our help, just give us a call. Our phone number's below. We're happy to help you. And I hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. We're Siegel and Siegel. Thanks for watching.